Ang kagandahan ng party list, parang kape, 3 in 1.
Mhm.
If you get enough votes, you can get 3 seats. Nationally. But unlike a senator where you need what, 16 million votes to win?
Yeah. Yeah.
A party list representative, by ranking, by ranking.
That's right. That's right.
Sabi mo kanina, with 300,000 votes, can already be a congressman.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Diba? That's one. Number two, ang kagandahan ng party list, parang kape, 3 in 1.
Mhm.
If you get enough votes, you can get 3 seats.
Yeah. Yeah.
With the same powers as a regular congressman. So, in other words, I think the essence of the party list system, when it was crafted, was meant to balance representation of the sectors or of advocates. Not just sectors, advocates. Di ba? Sa Congress. So, mas malaki pa rin yung bilang ng regular congressmen. But, you know, the party list system has evolved this way. Naabutan ko yun dati when I was in Congress.
Mhm.
The party list members were not holding important or key jobs in Congress. But right now,
Pero
you see
elected
them as...
elected na sila nung congressman ka eh.
Yes, pero ang tingin din, even in Congress, parang may discrimination din against them. In terms of House leadership,
Aha.
may mga deputy speakers, head ng appropriations committee, head ng major committees, when in fact, dati seniority yan.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So in that sense, yung mga party list representatives have now the clout in Congress.